Hello friend, you are watching Smart Passive Income channel, and in this video I want to show you my statistics from my car program in Ai.Marketing project. I will show you my last withdrawals from my account, and I will show you statistics of turnover for past 12 days. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also subscribe my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Okay, here we are, and in my advertising budget is $15,000. Almost $5,000 was spent, and cashback is really big, like $70,800. And I want to show you my last withdrawals, so I need to come here, transfer history, and I decided that I will make a video. If you want to, please write me in the comments below if you are interested in this video, in these statistics, because you want to know it or you want to share this video with your friend to show him this information, and then I will make this video again and again when I will withdraw money. So last two withdrawals, it was here $2,000, and here I want to show you my information from Binance that I received this $1,000 here and $1,000 here. So right now I withdraw $7,000, but I invested only $13,000, and I used the promo from INB network because I had NBO, and they add plus 12% to my balance, and right now it's working like $15,000. And I started to withdraw money from this account, and I withdraw first thousand, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7,000. So right now I withdraw $7,000, and I'm interested. And please write me in the comments below that it will be possible to withdraw $13,000 in next 2 or 3 weeks, and I will have all my deposit on my own hands. And what do you think about this? Please write me in the comments below, because I want to buy a car, as you know, BMW X6, and I believe that in next 3 weeks I will withdraw this money. But more of this, I want to withdraw here $50,000, and I believe that it can be possible. Okay, next stuff is I showed you last time, it was 10th of June. We counted here the small leg of our structure, and here was like more than and almost $500,000 in turnover, and we need to count and understand is somebody investing in Ai.Marketing project, or it's just I'm showing you this information from my alone one account. And I want to show you the screen from today, and we can count the turnover for past 12 days. As you can see here, we have now more than $4 million, and if we can count 4 million, we'll minus we'll do like this: 4 million minus 3 million 476,854, and we can see that for last 12 days in all this turnover is small, in small structure, we have all this amount in this turnover. You can decide it's a lot or not a lot, but for me, I see that a lot of people are interested in Ai.Marketing. They invest money in this project. For this reason, I'm very happy that Ai.Marketing is growing, and we can invest here and we can earn money every day. And I believe that very soon I will buy a car, BMW X6, which will cost $50,000. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.